Welcome back to our channel, Nature Enthusiasts. Today, we have an incredible topic to explore that will leave you amazed. Did you know that goldfish, those adorable aquatic creatures, possess a remarkable ability that sets them apart from many other animals? That's right. Goldfish have the extraordinary capability to see both infrared and ultraviolet light. Now, you may be wondering, what exactly are infrared and ultraviolet light? Well, let's dive right into it. Infrared light comprises electromagnetic radiation with longer wavelengths than visible light. It's commonly associated with heat. On the other hand, ultraviolet light consists of shorter wavelengths that are invisible to the human eye. So, how do these fascinating abilities benefit our underwater friends, the goldfish? Let's start with infrared vision. Infrared light allows goldfish to see heat signatures. Imagine swimming through murky waters, where visibility is limited. While we might struggle to perceive our surroundings, goldfish can rely on their infrared vision to navigate and detect potential predators. It's like having a built-in heat-seeking radar. But that's not all. Goldfish also have the incredible ability to see ultraviolet light. This gives them a whole new perspective on the world around them. While we perceive the world in a range of visible colors, goldfish can perceive fluorescent colors that are completely invisible to us. So, why is this ability important for goldfish? Well, when it comes to attracting mates or finding food sources, their ultraviolet vision plays a crucial role. Imagine a goldfish trying to court a potential partner. By detecting ultraviolet light reflections, they can showcase their vibrant colors and patterns that are otherwise hidden to our eyes. It's like having a secret language of love. Additionally, when searching for food, goldfish can spot hidden sources that reflect UV light. This gives them an advantage over other creatures, as they can locate nourishment that may go unnoticed by their competitors. It's like having a superpower in the underwater world. So, the next time you gaze into your aquarium, take a moment to appreciate the unique perspective of your pet goldfish. They're not just swimming around, oblivious to their surroundings. They have a whole different way of seeing the world, thanks to their exceptional vision capabilities. We hope you found this information about goldfish vision capabilities fascinating. If you want to continue exploring the incredible abilities and characteristics of animals, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We have a treasure trove of captivating facts about the animal kingdom waiting for you. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the extraordinary world of goldfish vision. Until next time, keep exploring and appreciating the wonders of nature. Stay curious and keep learning.